Hello beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Myha and today I'll share with you a Vietnamese street food recipe that I hold dear to my heart because it reminds me of my childhood and my hometown. It's called spicy mixed rice paper, aka Banh Trang Tron. I've always been requested to bring this to potluck because of how much my friends loved it. Now, without further ado, let's get started. For the ingredients today, you need a packet of rice paper, a cream mango, crispy shrimp, some quail eggs, chili mix satay sauce, spicy beef jerky, and last but not least, Vietnamese mint. Ooh, this is my daily dose of happiness. Let me just take a sip of this bittersweet deliciousness before we get started. The first step is separating the leaf. Vietnamese mint is my most favorite cooking mint. It adds so much flavor to the dish and also offers many health benefits like helping with indigestion, improve hand skin condition. It's also super easy to grow and my mom grows a lot of them in the backyard. I also use Vietnamese mint in my rice paper rolls, and if you're interested, please let me know in the comments and I'll show you in my next video. After washing them, we chop them finely to let the flavors come out and make it easier to mix later. Green mangoes are an ingredient most Westerners are not familiar with. It's important to get green mango for this dish. Unlike normal mango, green mango is sweet, slightly sour and crunchy. It adds character to our spicy salad. First, we peel the green mango, then start slicing from the outside in until you reach the seed. Stack thin slices together and cut them into thin strips. And now we're on to my favorite ingredient. Generally speaking, beef jerky is a nutritious snack because it is high protein and low in carbs. All we need to do now is breaking them up into smaller bite-sized pieces. So easy, right? I bought quail eggs in a can, so just to be extra careful, I boiled them to rinse off the preservative to get ready for mixing. Almost there guys! So the last step for preparation is cutting rice paper into thin strips. Rice paper can be quite chewy when it's thick, therefore the thinner the pieces, the easier it is for us to mix and eat. Oops! Look like someone's having trouble opening the jar. Wanna know a trick? Just use your spoon and go under in the crack between the lid and the glass and push it up. Another way is tapping the lid on the edge of a table to loosen it. Now with everything ready, we combine all the ingredients into a mixing bowl with chili mac satay sauce and crispy shrimp. Depending on how spicy you want it to be, you can add the whole jar, just like me because I love spicy food. Or you can mix a few tablespoons of satay sauce with lemon or water to dilute the spiciness. This step can be quite tedious and time consuming because you need to keep mixing until the rice papers turn soft. If you have disposable cooking gloves, I recommend wearing them since rice paper can be quite sharp and it could cut you. Plus, you probably don't want your hands to get all oily from the satay sauce. The reason I'm not wearing one right now because I used up my last pair yesterday. This little one is Milo, my cheeky kitchen assistant. He's almost 2 years old and I adopted him since he was only 6 months. He's a confident and independent Scorpio, loves being around people and likes watching me cooking. Being a cat mom has taught me to love unconditionally, to be patient and forgiving, even when he broke my favorite mug and pee in my fireplace. Milo brings so much joy and happiness to my life, and honestly, taking him home is the best decision I have ever made. That's it guys! Our spicy mixed rice paper salad is ready! It's spicy, crunchy, slightly sour due to the mango, and has the umami. You will find it extremely Moorish. This dish is best to eat fresh or within the day, otherwise it will get stale and hard to eat. I'm saving this to eat later, and that's why I wrap the bowl to keep it moist. Banh Trang Tron started as a cheap after-school snack for Vietnamese students and has become a popular street food in the southern of Vietnam. I remember back in the day when I was in primary school, I always looked forward to the break to go to canteen and get a bag of Banh Trang Tron to munch on during the next class. It was sold in a small clear bag of broken rice papers with flavoring packets like tamarind sauce, MSG, chili sauce, and fried shallots. It was very cheap, only around 500 Vietnamese dong, which is less than 1 Australian cents. All of my pocket monies was spent on getting those tasty treats. I even skipped lunch just so I can buy more of those. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for similar content. I hope to see you in my next video.